What if defending your faith meant being tortured and imprisoned for 7 years? Would you still hold on? Dear friends, this is the story of Saint Methodius I. Now, in the 9th century, a major crisis shook the church. The emperor ordered that all holy images, that is, icons of Christ and the saints, be destroyed. Many Christians refused, and one of them was Methodius. Now, he was born in Sicily and he became a monk and lived a life of prayer. But soon he was pulled into the conflict. He was sent to represent the church in Rome. When he returned, he was arrested. Now, would you still stand firm if everything was taken away from you? Do let us know your thoughts in the comments. Now, back to the story. Methodius was beaten and imprisoned for 7 long years. No freedom, no comfort, just silence and suffering. But he did not give up. He held on to his faith in Christ. And then everything changed. A new empress came to power and restored peace to the church, and Methodius was freed. And not only freed, he was made Patriarch of Constantinople. He restored the veneration of holy icons and healed a divided church. So, dear friends, Saint Methodius teaches us that faith may be tested in darkness, but it is revealed in endurance. So, do subscribe and follow us for more such inspiring saint stories in under 2 minutes.